Hello, this is Peter here. Building a website and a whole brand for your business can be quite difficult, right? There are so many options. In this video, I show you how to get inspiration for building a successful brand, and you'll also know how to learn from successful websites to create your own. One of the best ways to create high converting websites is to observe the ones that inspire you to buy. The same is true for building a whole brand. Visit other websites related to your business and analyze how they have built their pages to generate sales. You might find effective strategies there that you can use on your pages. Make sure not to copy the images or text. Instead, check how they are communicating, what style and design they are using, how they are presenting the offer, what elements they incorporated into their marketing strategies, and so on. Look for ideas that build your page with your own words and images. The best places you can go to find successful sales pages are Jivizo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus marketplaces. They have thousands of products from different vendors in every category. Go and check them out. The other place is your best friend, Google. Let's see some real-life examples.
As the first example, let's say I want to be a personal brand coach. So the first step is to analyze successful people in this industry. By typing personal brand coach into Google, I found two great examples. This is the first one. I instantly notice she's using a hero image, a headline, and a button on her homepage. Creating this framework might also be a good idea for me. I'm scrolling down and observing the other sections how she's communicating, presenting the information, and the design. Featuring the latest blog post on the homepage can also be beneficial. And here is a lead magnet to grab the email address of her potential clients by giving away a free guide. Okay, and this is the next one. He's using a picture of his live presentation as a background and two buttons where you can sign up. He has a featured on section, a section about his services with learn more buttons, an about part with a picture and description written in third person, some videos, testimonials, past clients. And two of his books are featured on this page with buy now buttons. So, by observing and analyzing these two brands, you can create a similar website and brand for your business. Of course, you might need to perform a much more in-depth analysis than this one. In my second example, let's say I want to be an online English teacher. In this case, finding a good personal brand with Google is not so simple. So first, I use the Facebook search bar to find English teachers. Then, I found this website. So, a hero image that builds trust and creates emotional connection, a headline, and a start learning button. By going to her site, we can instantly notice this orange brand color that she uses consistently. It's important to note that she attracts people with free weekly lessons. It's on the menu and at the bottom of the site. It's an awesome way of providing additional value through email and offering her paid products. She introduces herself with an About Me section. and features her popular courses below. If you want to be an English teacher, modeling this personal brand can lead to your success. In the third example, I want to build a sales page to sell my digital product. By browsing the Internet Marketing category on Gvizo, I found the Graphic Design Course sales page. Above the fold, we can see a quick intro video on the left, some bullet points on the right, and the Get Instant Access button. When going down, the problem and solution are presented. Then the product is introduced. Take note of how they visualize the product by using mockups and 3D covers. Below we can read about the features and benefits and how it can change our lives. Then a quick testimonial section. Next, look at how the different modules are presented and lectures are listed. As you can see, increasing the value with relevant bonuses is a great way to get more people to buy the product. Then check out the price table and the FAQ section. Of course, it's just only one sales page. You can find more relevant ones if needed. And remember, the more websites, funnels, sales pages you analyze and observe, the more creative ideas you'll have to create your own. No matter what niche you want to get into, it's always possible to find similar successful brands that you can model. Based on these examples, I hope you'll be able to create your own. Let me know if you have questions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I see you next time.